So I want to do a quick shop update. I only have 3 of these, and these are licensed right here. It says Sanix, but I can't, like, I'm not using my camera, I'm using my phone, so that it uploads quickly. Then I have 3 of those. I have this one, and it's licensed as well. At the top, it's right there, but I have really bad visual. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of those left, and they are still squishy, like. And I have 1 of the strawberry ones left, and of course this is licensed as well. So yeah, guys, that is all. So I hope you guys purchase. Bye.